Hey guys, this is C. Chadwicka here, and I'm doing a video today of PC cleaners, that's programs that you use to speed up your computer if it gets slow. For instance, this is one of them called CCleaner Free. It's made by Puriform, and I think they did a real good job on this one. It's free. You can upgrade it to like professional, but mostly you don't really need to. So here's an example of CCleaner Free cleaning your internet cache and the information on your browsers. Uh, so we'll just wait for that. We'll go ahead and cancel that. We'll just do that anyway. Also, you clean the registry. Now, this is what really makes it a little quicker is when it cleans the registry. A lot of people aren't aware that there is such a thing as a Windows registry, but it's a pretty in-depth, kind of computer is kind of technical. So I found two registry entries that were not being used or not correct, so we're going to fix those issues, deletes those. So let's see CCleaner Free by Puriform, and I'll have the download link below the description. Here's another one called Advanced System Care 10.2 Pro. I was pretty impressed with this one, although it did take about 30 minutes to load. I think it was pretty thorough, and I think it's probably a good one, and it's free, so that's great, and it lets you fix the errors and everything. A lot of times they'll say it's free, or it'll give you a free download, and it'll scan it and find errors, and then you have to pay for it to fix the errors. But Advanced System Care 10.2 Pro, CCleaner, PC Services Optimizer, and I have one more here, must be Clean My PC, and that's another one. So there's two of them, CCleaner and Puriform CCleaner, and the other one that shows you Advanced System Care. Here's one called Clean My PC, and it did something a little different. It found 2.8 gigabytes of unused files on my computer and proceeded to delete them, which actually is kind of odd. I don't really know why 2.8 gigabytes of information was on there in the first place. And here's the registry maintenance, what I was talking about. You can click on that and scan it. That's called Clean My PC. And I have one more. This one's called PC Services Optimizer, and I believe I did automatic tune-up on there earlier today, and I'm pretty certain that's a good one too. So don't forget, these are description below the videos. I would personally recommend CCleaner Free. Although that Advanced System Care looks pretty cool too. This is one I've been using for years and years. It's a free download. So peace out, you guys. Have a good day and enjoy the video. Bye. Please comment.